All right, sir, do you understand that she does not want you anymore?
Yes, ma'am.
So why do you keep going back to her place?
Well, because I got custody of my kids, and she's not supposed to be having custody of without outside of a facility, without supervision.
Well, that's when you handle that on the civil side. You don't just go to somewhere where you have no contact. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Court is calling 2023 CR 3067 State of Texas versus Joshua Paneagua. Could I have the parties announced for the record for the state?
Travis Banks of the state of Texas.
Defense?
Tony Jimenez from Mr.
And are
Paneagua.
you Mr. Paneagua?
Yes, ma'am.
How do you pronounce your last name?
Paneagua?
All right, I'm gonna work on that. Counsel, have you received all the discovery and did you review it with your client?
I have, Your Honor. I had,
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Showing you what's entitled application for community supervision. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
Showing you what's entitled true bill of indictment. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
I do, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
The state moves to proceed only on count 2, paragraph A.
Any objection to the waiver of the other paragraph?
None, Your Honor.
I'm going to show you what's entitled court admonishments and defendants waivers of affidavit and admonitions. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand you're charged with the offense of burglary of a habitation with intent to commit assault? That's a second-degree felony. The range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 20 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call and the right to remain silent?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand by entering this plea bargain agreement, you were giving up those rights?
Yes, ma'am.
And did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
He has, Your Honor.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
He does.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
He is.
Has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No, ma'am.
Has anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No, ma'am.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Showing you the plea bargain page. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
According to the plea, the state is proceeding on count 2, paragraph A, punishments be assessed at 5 years in the prison. There's a $0 fine, GPS partial for 180 days, affirmative finding of family violence, the BIPP course and parenting course. Did you understand that to be your plea?
I believe I was supposed to get probation.
None of that's checked off.
Yes, ma'am.
No, I mean, it hasn't been checked off here.
Uh,
Oh, that's okay. So is your understanding that the state is recommending community supervision?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, defense, is that the plea?
It is, Your Honor.
State, that's the plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
Showing you the paragraph entitled waiver of appeal paragraph. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in both places?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, are there any such motions?
None, Your Honor.
Outside the agreement, state is requesting that your community supervision be for a term of 5 years. There be a TAP evaluation and no contact with Justine Banda. Did you understand those are recommendations from the state and the court does not have to follow those recommendations?
Yes, ma'am.
Then to the offense in count 2, paragraph A, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
State any evidence?
Yes, Your Honor. State Upper States Exhibit 1 and its attachments.
No objections.
Showing you what's entitled waiving consent to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call and the right to remain silent?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there will be no live testimony? Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same. All right, after reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty and the court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor.
State, have you talked to the complainant?
Yes, Your Honor.
And is the complainant aware of this?
The complainant has not been able to speak with the state.
All right,
Has warrants.
okay. All right, defense, anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
No, Your Honor, I think after review, the client is taking responsibility for his actions, and we would respectfully ask the court to follow the plea agreement.
All right, sir, do you understand that she does not want you anymore?
Yes, ma'am.
So why do you keep going back to her place?
Well, because I got custody of my kids and she's not supposed to be having custody of without outside of a facility, without supervision.
Well, that's when you handle that on the civil side. You don't just go to somewhere where you don't have no
Understand.
contact. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
If you have contact with her while you're on probation out of here, you're looking at 5 years prison. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
She does not want you anymore. She does not love you. Well, maybe she still loves you. I don't know. But what I know is she does not want you anymore. And if she
Ma'am.
tells you she wants you, then you need to say, I understand that, but the judge is saying this relationship is over. So do you understand?
Yes,
Your
ma'am.
relationship is over.
Yes, ma'am.
If you don't want that relationship to be over, then that means that you wish to go to prison.
Ma'am.
All right. Are you employed?
No, ma'am.
When's the last time you had employment?
2017.
How are you supporting yourself? That money tattoo on your arm, you can't use that for cash at the store.
I'm waiting for SSI.
For what?
I got bipolar disorder, PTSD, because I got stabbed in my neck.
When?
And, depression.
So you've been waiting for SSI since
No, I
2017?
just recently went to go when I went to go get my social security card, but gotta wait. There's a long line. They're
It
busy.
appears that everybody is getting SSI. So do you have a mental health diagnosis?
I was seeing a psychiatrist out there just now.
What psychiatrist?
Robert Jimenez.
And where is his facility located? All right, I'm going to sentence you to 5 years in the prison, suspended and probated for 5 years. GPS, partial. You're allowed to work and attend medical appointments. MIC evaluation. That can be out of custody. If you miss any of these appointments, they're going to occur in custody. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
When's the last time you used any drugs before being taken into custody?
Maybe like 3 months.
And what drugs were you using?
Marijuana.
And what else?
Okay.
Okay. We'll do a referral to felony drug court. If you miss that appointment, you're going to go into custody. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
TAP evaluation. UA hotline. Do a referral to Center for Healthcare Services. Regular reporting by Zoom or in person. Where are your children now?
I have no idea.
How many do you have?
8.
What are their ages?
I got 2 newborns. One's 2, one's 1.5, and then the other one's 17, 12, and 11. And then the other one's 10.
And are all these children, their mother, is this Justine Banda?
No, she's not the mother of my children.
Oh, so where are they?
They're with the mother of my children.
You just said that you were at Justine Banda's house because there were some custody issues.
With my baby mama. Justine Banda was her friend who does not even reside at the residence.
Let's say mother of our children.
Mother of my
That sounds better.
children. Yes, ma'am.
So are you saying that the mother of your children was with Justine Banda?
Yes, ma'am.
How did you know she was with Justine Banda?
Didn't know. I just went over there to pick up my child.
Your story makes no sense to me. How did you know your children were over there? Did Justine Banda pick up the phone and call you and say, hey, your children are here?
No, I talked to the grandma. We're supposed to have custody. We're supposed to have shared custody. And she told me that she was at my baby mama, at the mother of my children's house. So that's why I went over there to go pick him up. And it was my day to see him.
All right, proof of employment within 30 days. No employment as a home healthcare provider or with minors. Regular reporting by Zoom or in person. Parenting classes with Rainbow. Field visits, one time per month until further notice. And you're saying you don't know where any of your children are right now?
He told me not to have contact with the mother of my children. So,
Well, I mean, no, you can't have contact with Justine Banda. Is she the mother of your children?
well, the order was for both of them at the time. But she's not the mother of my children. No, no.
So you don't know where your children are. They're missing.
They're not missing. They're with the mother. They're with the mother.
All right. Rashawn, can you see and have probation, make sure they see what's happening with these children? Because nobody appears to know where they are. It seems maybe there's an order for them to be with the grandmother, but people are just passing children around to random people. Is there anything else he needs?
Is there a bill contact? And if so, who exactly?
Justine Banda, Banda.
Are there any community service hours?
Yes, we're gonna do 200 hours of community service hours restitution, and none of those are gonna be waived.
Nothing else on my income.
Is there anything else you need from the court
Uh,
to be successful?
anger management classes.
All right. So we're gonna do anger management classes. Thank you for telling me that.
Well,
Anything else you need?
it's not on top of my head right now.
All right. If there's something else you need, let probation know.
Yes, ma'am.
Showing you what's entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal. I'm so sorry. Just one moment. There's to be an affirmative finding of family violence. It's just so hot today. And instead of anger management, there's going to be the BIPP course. And did you understand with an affirmative finding of family violence, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition?
Yes, ma'am.
And did you understand with an affirmative finding of family violence, you're not allowed to be designated as primary custodial parent?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. All right, I'm going to show you what's entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
Because this is a plea bargaining agreement, because I followed your plea bargaining agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal and you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
And because this is an affirmative finding of family violence in a conviction, you're not allowed to own, possess any weapons or ammunition. Do you have any questions?
No, ma'am.
All right, good luck to you.
Alvarez, perhaps feeling the full weight of her words, finally mutters, "Take the treatment." But Judge Boyd is far from finished. Accepting his choice, she proceeds to systematically dismantle any possibility of failure, imposing a probation regimen so strict it's designed to either rebuild him from the ground up or reveal his inability to change. He is ordered to complete 300 hours of community service, obtain his GED or a trade certificate, directly challenging his excuse about quitting school for quick money, secure proof of employment within 30 days, submit to monthly field visits, and pay restitution. He will not even taste freedom until accepted into the drug court program. Each condition is a deliberate strike against the done things he claimed to worry about. Judge Boyd concludes with a final, sobering hammer blow. She reminds him that because he took the plea, he has waived his right to appeal. Then she delivers the ultimate warning. You better start making better decisions in your life. Otherwise, you're looking at 20 years in the prison. The sentence isn't just 8 years of supervision, it's 8 years under a microscope, with a 20-year prison term looming like a guillotine if he stumbles. Her good luck is less a well-wish and more a final, daunting challenge. In this hearing, Judge Stephanie Boyd didn't just sentence a man, she staged a high-stakes confrontation with his own demons, offering a path to salvation that is as punishing as it is perilous. But the most shocking moment comes when Judge Boyd asks about his children. Paneagua reveals he has 8 children, with ages ranging from newborns to 17, but he doesn't know where they are. His confusing story about going to the victim's house over custody issues makes no sense to the judge. Boyd's tone shifts from stern to deeply concerned for child welfare, immediately ordering probation to investigate where these children are, noting people seem to be just passing children around to random people. In her final ruling, Stephanie Boyd destroys any notion of an easy probation. She follows the plea, but layers on a crushing list of requirements: GPS partial monitoring, a felony drug court referral, a BIP, batterer intervention and prevention program, course, parenting classes, random UAs, 200 hours of community service, and restricted visits with his own children. Each condition is a direct response to the failures and deceptions she exposed. This is a masterclass in judicial scrutiny, where a plea deal is just the beginning of a relentless pursuit for accountability and public safety.